Hi, my name is Chris Antes, personal chef with thechefforyoutohave.com, and I'm here in the Conscious Cook kitchen, ready to prepare for you a Christmas broccoli salad. Now, what I've already done is to make it really simple. If you want to get a pre-cut little salad mix, this is some iceberg lettuce with carrots and a little bit of cabbage in there. Adds to the color that we're looking here. You know, that's one thing about Christmas is there's all kinds of color going on and excitement. So what we're going to do, and what I like to do, I kind of line things up. So we're going to use a little bit of some carrots here. Then we've got some radish to add that nice little spice and crunch to it. And let's see, we're going to start over here with a little bit of tomatoes. We'll also add some celery, some cucumber. You know, we're hitting those major colors of Christmas with the green and red. And to brighten that up, we'll add a little bit of some green pepper. And then some scallions. So, and then I'll always serve it like this. And we'll give it a little dressing. I'm going to use a little bit of some sunflower oil. And to give it its last little bit of citrus, we're going to use some apple cider vinegar. Come service, I always like to put the plate or the bowl out there and then just go ahead and mix it all up and pass it around so everybody can help themselves taste of everything that's in there. So this is and I guess we got to add the most important thing, our broccoli, huh? Which we'll put some, and this, I'm going to do a combo of some that I blanched off a little bit, and with blanching what you do is you have some boiling water or set up for steam, so this will get nice and soft, and you just have it in there for a couple minutes, and then after it cooks you throw it in some ice water to kind of to shock it or stop it from cooking. And for a little difference in the color, I'm going to alternate between a raw and cooked broccoli. So there we go. The perfect Christmas salad to enjoy with a little broccoli.